Build trust and sell more with Google reviews. Increase your sales up to 30% and get the first position on Google Maps in your industry by collecting and displaying your Google reviews with Trust Index. To get to the first position on Google Maps, you need 3 things. More Google reviews than your competitors, best rating score at your location in your industry, and lastly, for the Google reviews to be replied to. I will show you how to do all of those 3 things with Trust Index easily. Get the first position on Google Maps by collecting new reviews daily. I will show you 2 methods that will help you collect up to 20 new Google reviews every day. Automatic email campaigns. The first method is our automatic review collector email campaigns. With the help of our system, you can create fully automatic review collecting emails that will be sent out to your customers. With this, we also have an intelligent review invitation system where if a reviewer wants to give you a negative review, they are redirected to your customer support contacts instead of posting the negative review right away. This is an incredibly helpful function in order to avoid getting negative reviews and collect as many positive ones as possible. About 12,000 websites already use and love email campaigns for review collecting. Google Review Collector Cards. The second method is for companies with physical locations and stores. Collect up to 20 new reviews daily, 10 times faster by using our Google Review Collector card. With just a simple tap, you can get ahead of your competitors in just 3 steps. After a successful sale or service, ask your customer if they would leave a review about their experience with your business. Next, all you have to do is tap the card on the customer's phone in your store and your Google page will appear right away. Your customer can write and post their new reviews right away. No more lost reviews. Success and positive reviews are guaranteed this way, as you make this process 100 times easier for your customers. You can order your own review collector card for a discounted price of $29, and we even provide free worldwide shipping for orders of or above 2 cards. Answer your reviews with ChatGPT. Now that you have many new reviews, you'll need to answer them. To get the first position on Google Maps, companies have to manage and respond to their reviews, not just collect them, since it's another important Google ranking factor. Our AI reply feature powered by ChatGPT answers and uploads replies to your reviews automatically, saving you time, money, and energy. ChatGPT provides unique responses to your reviews every single time and posts them on their original platforms as well. So if you got a new Google review, ChatGPT can send a customized response to it within a day and it will be displayed on Google. All in all, AI Reply saves you loads of time, energy, and money by automating the process of review management. 3 ways to skyrocket your sales with Trust Index. Review widgets. Now it's time to show off your great reviews by displaying them on your website with review widgets. Increase your sales by up to 20% by displaying your best reviews and join the 17,000 websites currently using our review widgets. With Trust Index review widgets, you can display your reviews, collect new reviews with a built-in Write a Review button, influence potential customers to choose your business or service over others, build trust right on your website. For example, our most popular slider with header style widget is displayed on more than 17,000 websites with the benefits of increasing the time spent on a website and also increasing trust. Boost SEO by decreasing bounce rate. Increases the number of reviews by collecting new ones. Increase sales by 15 to 20%. Your website visitors and potential customers will surely trust you when they see your glowing reviews on your website in a stylish widget like this. Review certificate. Another method to increase your sales by an additional 8% while boosting customer trust is the review certificate, which is an exclusive widget only available for the best companies, authenticates your business reviews and information, build trust during the whole customer journey with review certificates. The biggest advantage of them is addressing visitors' concerns. When visitors see this informative widget on your website, they will be more relaxed when deciding to choose your business over others. This mobile-friendly badge can be added to all pages of your site without disturbing visitors and customers, since they are easily collapsible. Social feed. Now that you have tackled your reviews, it's time to focus on your social media feeds. Take advantage of social media on your website and build trust with the most up-to-date form of marketing, feed widgets. Especially Instagram feed widgets. With Instagram feed widgets, your visitors can browse through your Instagram posts effortlessly, right on your website. The Instagram feed widget gives your business an instant SEO boost and helps you to get to the top of the Google search results by increasing the dwell time on the website as visitors spend more time on your site looking through your posts. Decreasing the bounce rate. They will be less likely to click off your site. The updated social media content will have Google crawl your website more frequently. Adding our stylish Instagram feed widgets to your website can boost SEO as it keeps visitors engaged, making them stick around longer and improving the website's ranking on Google. TrustIndex will help you rise above the competition, not just through the power of reviews, but through social media as well. In addition to the features mentioned earlier, TrustIndex offers extra functionalities that help you integrate Google reviews into your company mailing or newsletter automation and turn reviews into social content for Instagram or Facebook with just one click. These are definitely worth trying out. Build trust and increase your sales with TrustIndex. To sum it up, TrustIndex makes it easy and quick to increase sales and gain customer trust by taking advantage of customer reviews without having to spend a fortune on marketing. Google reviews are an important factor for ranking high on Google Maps and Google search results, potentially leading to higher sales and better visibility for your company, ultimately helping you secure a top or even the first position in industry searches and attracting a new customer base at no cost. Since Google reviews are essential to a successful business in this digital world, TrustIndex will help you rise to the top of Google search results. If you are ready to increase your sales with the power of Google reviews, find our subscription plans on our website or click on the link in the description.